What if the best years of your career are still ahead of you? Imagine launching a business, switching industries, or finally chasing a dream you set aside decades ago. Across the world, thousands of people are proving that age is just a number by starting new chapters after 60, 70, or even 80. Some do it for purpose, some for adventure, some simply because they can. But what does it really take to reinvent your work life after 60? In this video, discover the real stories, the research, and the step-by-step secrets behind inspiring late-in-life career changes. Prepare to rethink what's possible no matter your age. For decades, retirement was seen as the finish line, a time to slow down, relax, and step away from work. But for many, retirement is no longer the end of the story. It's the start of a new chapter. Why do people choose to change careers after 60? The answers are as varied as the people themselves. Some crave more fulfillment. After years in the same field, they want to do something that truly matters to them, something that leaves a legacy or gives back to the community. Others need extra income. With longer life expectancies, retirement savings sometimes fall short, and a new career can provide financial security. Many finally pursue a passion that was put on hold for decades: art, teaching, travel, or entrepreneurship. And some simply want to stay active and engaged, keeping their minds and bodies sharp. Research shows that over 30% of workers aged 65 and older have changed careers in at least 3 different industries. Nearly half have made at least one major career shift after 60. The traditional idea of retirement is evolving. More people are working longer, but on their own terms, in ways that excite and fulfill them. Let's meet some of the people who have reinvented themselves after 60. Linda spent 35 years climbing the corporate ladder, managing teams, and navigating office politics. But after decades in management, she felt burned out and unfulfilled. At 62, she made a bold decision. She retrained as a career coach, guiding others over 50 to find their own new paths. Linda says, "I've never felt more energized or useful. Helping others discover their potential gives me a sense of purpose I never found in my old job." Mark spent 32 years in finance, managing investments and crunching numbers. When he was laid off in his late 50s, he faced age discrimination in the job market. Instead of giving up, Mark launched a real estate photography business at 60. He combined his love for photography with his business skills, and now his schedule is fully booked. "People told me it was too late to start over," Mark shares, "but I've built something I love, and I'm my own boss." Sam retired from the Air Force, then tried his hand at farming, then became a pastor, and now volunteers with local charities. In his 70s, Sam says, "I've had more careers after 60 than before. Each one taught me something new about myself and the world." Some stories are legendary. Colonel Sanders franchised Kentucky Fried Chicken at 62 after a lifetime of odd jobs. Julia Child published her first cookbook at 50 after years as a government worker and aspiring writer. Each story is different, but they all share one thing: the courage to begin again. What kinds of careers are people choosing after 60? Many turn to consulting or coaching, sharing decades of wisdom with others. Some discover the freedom of freelance and remote work, writing, editing, virtual assistance, or customer service, all from the comfort of home. Others retrain for healthcare or therapy, inspired by a desire to help others and make a difference in their communities. Creative and entrepreneurial ventures flourish: photography, gardening, crafts, or starting a small business. Education is another popular path: teaching, tutoring, or guest lecturing, often in subjects they're passionate about. For many, nonprofit and social impact roles offer a way to give back and create lasting change. The common thread? Flexibility, purpose, and the chance to use skills built over a lifetime. Is it really possible to change careers after 60? Research says yes. Studies show that people who make these changes often report higher emotional well-being, a renewed sense of purpose, and even improved health. Staying mentally and socially active is good for the brain and the body. Learning new skills builds new neural connections, keeping the mind sharp and engaged. With today's technology, learning new skills or finding flexible work has never been easier. Online courses, virtual job boards, and remote work opportunities open doors that didn't exist a generation ago. The biggest barrier? Often, it's not the job market, it's self-doubt. Of course, the journey isn't always easy. Ageism is real. Some employers hesitate to hire older workers, worried about adaptability or longevity. But many companies are beginning to value experience, reliability, and wisdom. Learning new skills can be daunting, especially after decades in the same field. But online courses, community colleges, and workshops make retraining accessible to everyone. Self-doubt, the feeling that it's too late, can be the toughest challenge of all. But those who succeed focus on what they can control. They seek out roles in companies that value experience. They start small, volunteering, freelancing, or launching a side project. They build confidence, one step at a time. What does it take to make a successful career change after 60? Step 1. Assess your motivations. What do you want more meaning, income, flexibility, or a new challenge? Take time to reflect. Write down your goals and dreams. Step 2. Identify your transferable skills. Leadership, communication, problem solving, these are valuable everywhere. Make a list of your strengths and experiences. Step 3. Research and network. Talk to others who've made the leap. Join online forums or local groups. Reach out to mentors, attend workshops, and connect on LinkedIn. Step 4. Consider flexible roles. Remote work, part-time jobs, or consulting can be a great way to start. Look for opportunities that match your lifestyle and interests. Step 5. Retrain if needed. Take a short course or certification. Many are free or low-cost online. Don't be afraid to learn something new. Step 6. Start small. Volunteer, freelance, or intern to build experience and confidence. Small steps build momentum and open doors. Step 7. Lean on your support network. Family, friends, and mentors can make all the difference. Share your goals and ask for encouragement. Every journey starts with a single step. And remember, progress, not perfection, is the goal. What if you don't know what you want to do? Explore. Try new things through volunteering, short-term gigs, or online classes. Give yourself permission to experiment. How do you deal with rejection? Remember, it's part of the process. Each no brings you closer to a yes. Resilience is built through experience. What about health concerns? Look for roles with flexibility or less physical demand. Remote and part-time work are more accessible than ever. Is it too late to learn new technology? Absolutely not. Many online courses are designed for beginners of all ages. With patience and practice, anyone can learn. How do you find support? Join local meetups, online forums, or professional groups for older adults. You're not alone. Millions are on the same journey. Ready to take the first step on your new journey? Here are some ways to keep moving forward, stay motivated, and connect with others on the same path. Join a community. Find local meetups or online forums for career changers and retirees. Sharing your goals and hearing other stories can spark new ideas and help you overcome challenges. Many cities offer workshops at community centers or libraries, focused on skills training, resume building, and networking for older adults. Explore real stories. Listen to podcasts like Second Act Stories or Second Act Success, where people share how they made bold career pivots after 50 or 60. Watch YouTube channels such as Career Contessa, That Career Coach, or Multiple Careers for practical advice and inspiration from people who've been there. Take action, even small steps. Try volunteering, freelancing, or taking a part-time job in a new field. These experiences can help you build confidence and discover what you truly enjoy. Consider self-employment or consulting if you want more flexibility or to leverage your expertise. Keep learning. Many organizations and websites offer free or affordable courses for mature learners. Look for workshops at local colleges, or explore online platforms like LinkedIn Learning and Coursera for skill building at your own pace. Find your why. Reflect on what excites you now. What skills do you want to use? What impact do you want to make? Sometimes, reading books like What's Next by Carrie Hannon or The Encore Career Handbook can help clarify your vision. Celebrate progress. Every small step counts. Whether you update your resume, attend a networking event, or simply reach out to someone for advice, you're moving forward. Remember, you're not alone. Thousands of people are reinventing themselves later in life, and their journeys are proof that it's never too late to start something new. Surround yourself with inspiration and keep exploring. Your next chapter could be your most rewarding yet. Is it really possible to change careers after 60? Absolutely. Whether you want to start a business, learn something new, or give back to your community, the only limit is your imagination. Your next chapter could be your most exciting yet. It's never too late to reinvent yourself.